So you always hear me talk about my car, whether it's DIYs, maintenance, things to look out for, all that stuff. You know, certain modifications that I'm doing, new car that I'm trying to buy, all that. You hear enough of that. But what I actually do value is what you guys have to say. So whether it's, you know, coaching, feedback, whatever it be the case, but on top of all that, what plans do you have for your BMW? You know, what mods do you have coming next? What big maintenance things do you have coming next as well? What issues you may be having with your BMW? Maybe I can help you out there. Let me know down in the comment section below. I'm really curious, and I do, you know, care about what you guys have to say, of course. And I want to know what plans you have for your BMW. I know that a few of my subscribers, just because I talk with them so much all the time, you know, whether it's, you know, on Facebook or whatever. So I actually do know some upcoming plans for some of you, but not, of course, all of you. So one thing that actually just arrived back in the mail that I have here. So check this out. Here is going to be the backup camera, live and in person, of course. I know you've seen my video about this. So this is going to be a full plug and play CIC or CIC retrofit camera install. So of course that's your harness, and this is all plug and play too, and this will run all the way to the trunk here. So of course this is from CIC Retrofit, aka Nick. So you got your emulator there, and then last but not least, what also comes in the kit is of course your camera. Now your camera just attaches right in the back, same unlocking mechanism, just like the stock one. It just has the camera built right in there. Very sleek design, same kind of material, nice and grippy, so of course looks good. Well, down in the comment section below, let me know what plans you guys have next coming for your car, whether it's outside, interior, performance mods, whatever. If you have some diagnostic questions, you know, also let me know down there below, and I'll look forward to seeing you guys down in the comment section down there. All right, big thumbs up, subscribe to the channel already. Thanks again for all the support, and lots of great stuff to come. Take care.